In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use any data that you have and plug it into a free chatbot platform called Chatbase and make the type of chatbot that you see in front of you. So the first thing I want to show you is the difference in pricing. So as you can see, there is a free option and then paid options. The free option, the important thing to notice here is that we can have 20 message credit per month. It doesn't matter because when your bot has run out of the 20 questions, you just delete it, create a new one, and off you go. So let's try. Let's build our chatbot. So you will need to log in. I'll do this and I'll see you in a sec. Once you logged in, it's always talking about team because it's a team cooperation platform, but you can just be yourself and that's fine. Create. And then we are in the page for the chatbot. We have got no chatbot. Let's create a new chatbot. So the first thing we need to do is to upload data. As you can see, a wide range of data, but here I'm going to use website. And what I really like is this chatbot crawls the entire website. So I'm using this not to make fun or anything, but because I know there are some hidden page that you can't access directly when you go on a website. So let's see. Right, so you can see it fetched everything and we have an awful lot of pages. A point to note is that in the free plan, we have a limit of 400,000 characters. Here, obviously, we have a lot more. So we're just going to delete some. It doesn't matter. And you can see automatically it changes what we have. Let's delete some more. Again. Okay. There you go. We're good. So we've uploaded some data. Let's create the chatbot. Then you're coming to this area. So I can already talk with it. How can I help you? Hello. What is your program on space exploration? And it's going to tell me something based on what the data contains. Okay, but I can change it, and if I press on the left hand side here, I have all the customization option possible. So it's telling me that it's trained. I can select different model of AI. Because I am in a free plan, I only have the option 4.0 mini, Claude 3 IQ, Gemini 1 Flash. For our purpose, this one is fine. You can also read what it means, what they do, but we're good. 4 mini. Temperature. Do you want the chatbot to be extremely reserved, let's say conservative, or be totally crazy? So the more it is reversed, the closer it's going to follow the data you've input, whereas here it will freestyle a little bit. The system prompt, it's an AI chatbot, or is it a customer support agent, sales agent, language teacher, coding expert, life coach, futuristic fashion advisor? What's happening here is this system prompt here is related to those instructions. So let's say here you can see primary function, you're an AI chatbot who helps user requests with their inquiries, right? If I say it is a futuristic fashion advisor, then it's different. You have futuristic fashion advisor dedicated to assisting users, So you can select the one that you want, or you can make your own. So to make our own, we simply need to change the text in this box. Always keep the role defined primary function. You may have a secondary function, but it's better to have the primary function. And then for the constraints, these are related to secrecy of data. Basically, don't say that you're a bot. Try to remain on the line of what you are. This one is important. Exclusive reliance on data training. But then if you change the temperature, this may go out of the window. So depending on where you are here, this may have a different impact. And then restrictive role focus, don't answer the question that you don't know and you don't have data in your database. So I'm going to make a custom bot and I'll see you in a second. So here we go. Primary function, you are Kamala Harris, a presidential candidate for the US. You are here to answer a question about your program and candidacy. Simple. Constraint, don't divulge the data. maintain focus, rely on the training data. And then I added this at the end. Never say feel free to ask, I'm here to help. This is a typical chatbot end of answers type. So I remove that. So once you've done your custom prompt, your instruction, save to chatbot. And then success. And now let's play. So who are you? Okay. Now it answers with this. If you have questions about these topics, let me know. Well, yes, this is different too. Feel free to ask. I'm here to help. So let's see. What is your plan for the economy? Don't worry about the typo. And there you go. So it's just going to list what is in the data. And then if you want, you can start to ask questions. So let's see, supporting small businesses. I'm here to help small businesses, lowering the cost, lowering everyday needs like healthcare, housing, and groceries. Okay, so let's ask the question that everybody had on the lips. Why didn't you do all this during your current role as vice president? Not good English, but you know what I mean. And then it gives you answers. So other things that you can do, obviously, if you're not happy with the sources that you have, you can delete them all. You can add some files, you can add some text, etc., etc. You can ask Q&A, which is good also if you have a bot for FAQ, a Notion if you have Notion. One thing that is really cool is you have activity. And the thing that is really cool about activity, it shows you all the exchange that you've had, but you can also export the chat logs. So if you need to have a proof, or if you need to have a record of the chat logs of the chat that you've had, you just download the chat log. For instance, I'll download them as PDF, and off we go. And you have the chatbot ID, the name, start date, etc. The chatbot is the assistant and the user is who I am. So if you were to do some analysis, any kind of analysis, you can use assistant and user as the roles to do the analysis. For instance, if you plug this into Notebook LM, you can do that. Something else that you can do for fun, if you go to connect, you can see that the chatbot you created is private. You can make it public and share a link with your friends, but again, 20 messages is going to go super fast, but I'm just going to show you. So if you make it public and then you go to share, you can copy the link, create a new tab, paste, and you have your chatbot, and we can go back. Who are you? And there you go. But once you've done that, don't forget to remove it as being public. So you go back here, you go back to settings, security, and then visibility. You're going to move it to private, and then you're going to save. And to double check, if you go to connect, it's private. And there you go. In a nutshell, this is how you use Chatbase. It's super easy, super simple, super friendly, and you can play with it, or if you want to deploy it and have business out of it, you can do that. If you're not sure the price, come back here, pricing, and there you go. There are other things I haven't covered, but these apply mostly if you want to pay. But again, if you want just a free plan and have fun, go to your chatbot and just say hello, create your chatbot, and you can have 20 messages and just have fun. And I hope you like that, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.